Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're featuring the best Nivel laser, the Dewalt 12 volts max laser level. This impressive tool combines functionality, durability, and precision, making it a must-have for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. The Dewalt 12 volts max laser level is designed for those who demand accuracy and versatility in their projects. With robust green beam technology, this laser level offers high visibility, even in brightly lit environments. The three-way, 360-degree coverage allows you to easily project horizontal and vertical lines for a wide variety of applications. This laser level features a durable design, equipped with overmolded housing that ensures it can withstand tough job site conditions. It boasts an IP65 rating for water and debris resistance, so you can use it in any environment without worry. The integrated magnetic bracket provides flexibility in mounting, allowing for easy adjustments and positioning. Measuring at 17.75 inches in length and 12.5 inches in width, this tool is compact yet powerful. It runs on a 12 volts max lithium-ion rechargeable battery, which ensures long-lasting performance and convenience. The locking pendulum feature is a game-changer. It helps protect the internal components during transportation, ensuring that your laser level remains accurate and reliable for every job. Plus, with the Class 2 laser output, you can be assured of safety during operation. Whether you're installing shelves, aligning wall panels, or laying tiles, the Dewalt 12 volts max laser level makes these tasks straightforward and efficient. Its full-time pulse mode is compatible with detectors for extended range applications, giving you the versatility needed for more complex projects. In conclusion, the Dewalt 12 volts max laser level is a top-tier option for anyone looking to improve their precision work. Its durability, visibility, and ease of use make it a favorite among professionals and hobbyists alike. If you're in the market for a reliable laser level, look no further. This product stands out for its performance and value. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tool reviews and tips. Let us know in the comments if you've used the Dewalt laser level or if you have any questions. Until next time, keep building and stay safe.